Alright, this is WWJ Whipping with Joe. Anyway, went from one area to the other here. It says Stedman Road there. We're gonna go check the Deschutes River. The Deschutes River. Oh man, the Deschutes River is right here. I like that. Right over here. Oh wow, look at that. Whoa, swift running water there. We can go do some whipping. Do some fly rod maybe, don't know. Oh, I guess we can go right over and do some whipping, gang. I like that. Let's go do some whipping over here, gang. We got the Buzz Bomb, Powlux rod, 7 foot, and then we've got the Quantum 35. Whoa, a lot of overhang here. We still get snagged. Nothing else. You can think. Oh, how do we go there? I think we got to go down that way. Can we go down that way and throw? No, can't go throw that way. On the other side's probably better. Oh, how do we throw here? Oh, it'll be difficult, gang. That's be difficult to throw. I don't know. I'm going to try it. Swift waters here. We'll try it though. We'll try to see how we do this thing here. Very carefully. Very carefully, gang. We might have to go to the area down there. Got that kind of there. I think somebody fishing over there. What? Might be better way down that way. What do you think, gang? I think so. Okay, let's go move down there. We're going to go more to the right, left here. Let's go more to the left. Okay, I'm gonna go more to the left over there. Gotta find a clearing here. We can't throw this stuff here. Can't even throw a fly rod. Too much overhang. Too much overhang. Might be able to get something inside here. Don't know. Do we get something inside here? Still got that big log. It's gonna snag in that big log there. Snag in that big log. Okay, and this is the Deschutes. Call this the Deschutes River. Alright. Got some ferns over here. We might find a clearing. We need a boat for nothing else on there. Alright, we might have a clearing we can throw in here. Swift waters there. Go. I might have a clearing here. We've been using trash here. Okay, this Deschutes River goes all the way to Oregon as far as I know. There we go. We got a clearing here. Alright. I think we get a clearing right inside here, gang. We might be able to fly something inside here. Just don't want to fall in the water. Just don't want to fall in the water, gang. For sure. Okay, let's see here. I don't want to fall in the water. I am junky over here. We might have a clearing here. I think so. Might be able to do something. Alright, gang. 10 pops. 10 pops. That means 10 pops. 10 pops. Number one. Let's see what we got. Maybe we have a big salmon inside. I don't know. Big salmon, big salmon, big salmon. Big salmon, big salmon, big salmon. Number one. Number one. Oops. Oops. Hey. Hey. One. Oops. One. Oh, that's a hula hula. What in the world? What in the world? What in the world? Okay. Okay, that was number one. Number two. Two. Come on, big salmon. Come on, big salmon. Come on, big salmon. Wama! Slam dunk me. Slam dunk me, big salmon. Oop, gotta find out where we're at. Number two. Number three. Three. We want to humding with something big here. Just don't know. don't know where. Go back. Three. Okay, that's 3. Number 4. 4. Come on, big boy. Where are you at? Come on, salmon. Come on, salmon. 4. Number 5. 5. 5. 5. Number 6. 6. Come on, salmon. Come on, salmon. This is number 6. Just don't know. Not to know. 6. Oops. 6. Number 7. 7. Come on, big salmon. Where you at? Come on, big salmon. Where you at? Number 7. Number 7. We're gonna move. 7. We're gonna move. 7. Number 8. 8. Come on, Chinook. You're a big bubber. Slam dunk me. 8. 8. Number 9. 9. 9. And number 10, and we're gonna move. 10. 10. Come on, big boy. Gotta be one around here. What do you think? Come on in here, no? Okay, I'm gonna move. That was 10, gang. Go back another spot.